morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryavanshi and my today's topic is FDA Form 1572. FDA Form 1572, also known as a Statement of an Investigator, and it is a document required by the US FDA for the clinical trial involving the investigational drugs or the devices. It is typically completed by the principal investigator who is responsible for the conducting the clinical trials. The primary purpose of the FDA Form 1572 is to document the principal investigator commitment to the conducting the study in the compliance with applicable regulations and to ensure the safety and the rights of the study participants. Then the form 1572 includes the several important elements. First, investigational information. Second, study information. Third, regulatory compliance. Fourth, financial disclosure. Fifth, statement of the investigator. And sixth number is signature and a date. FDA Form 1572 plays a crucial role in ensuring the integrity of clinical trials and the protecting the rights and the safety of the study participant. And it is submitted to the FDA as a part of the regulatory documentation of the clinical trial. Then first one is the investigator information. These sections provide details about the investigator involved in the clinical trials, including their names, address, qualification and medical license number and curriculum file. Then the second element is the study information, and it includes the information about the clinical trial such as the title of the protocol number and the name and the address of the sponsor or the sponsor investigator. Then third element is the regulatory compliance. The investigator confirms the understanding and the commitment to adhere to all the applicable FDA regulation as well as any local regulations and institutional policies. Then fourth element is the financial disclosure. Investigators are required to disclose any financial interest or the arrangement they have might be considered a conflict of the interest in the connection with the clinical trials. Then fifth element is the statement of the investigator. This section outlines the responsibilities of the investigator, which is typically include the obtaining information consent form and study participant, conducting study protocol approval and ensuring the safety and the welfare of the participants, and maintain the accurate and the complete records and allowing to FDA inspection. Then last one is a signature and date. The form requires the investigator's signature and the date of the signature, indicating their acceptance of the responsibilities outlined in the documents. Thank you everyone.